String data type. Why this appearance? Because just to give you an impact that this is the most important topic. Let me tell you some facts. 99% of the interviews will have questions on string. You can say almost 100%. And at least 50% of the interview, the question starts from string topic only. So that important this topic is. So string will be covered in two instances. One is here as a primitive, and when you study objects again I will be covering the string. But here pretty much major part of the string is covered. So please pay attention. So string is a primitive data type. All primitive data types are immutable in JavaScript. So what is immutable, I am going to explain to you in one separate lesson. For that I have dedicated a separate lesson to explain you the immutability behavior in JavaScript. Now coming to the string, anything you enclose in single quote or in double quote is a string. So why there are two options? You might ask, you should be having this question. Okay, let me tell you what is not there in the notes. Like I told you, JavaScript is the best of many languages, right? So if you go to language like C++, Java, strings are represented using double quote. In Python, it is represented using single quote. I'm not sure, I think even double quote is used or not in Python. If you go to C#, it is double quote. See, every language developer, say the developers of JavaScript, want people to use JavaScript. Developers of Java want people to use Java. Same is for Python. So one clever thing that JavaScript people have done is that if you come from Java background and if you are accustomed to using double quote, now fine, we have given you that option. If you come from different background, you want to use single quote. Typically single quote is more neat and clean. When you write a program, it looks more clear. So if your preference is single quote, yes, that option is also given. So what you should choose? Like I told you, when you go to the interview, if they ask you to write a program, just 4 lines of code, they can tell whether you are a professional coder or not. You getting my point here? This is important, pay attention. Alright, so always use single quote for representing the strings in your program. So then why here I have written this example in double quote? This is only to show that it is possible, it works. Alright, but in all the future lessons I will be sticking to single quote. Now let's look into some of the programs. So this is the first example that I have written for you. So when you print it, what is the output we get? So whatever is there in the single quote, that gets printed as it is. Whatever is there in the single quote or double quote, whatever enclose it, there is actual term for that. That term is, it's called as string literal. Remember, in the interview if somebody says string literal, don't get confused with this. Alright? Yeah, sorry. Let me pick up the next example. So the string literal, the string data type comes with a property called length. When you use it with a string like this, dot length, it will return the length of the string. So let me go ahead and compile and execute this for you. Alright, so the length of this string is I love Philate is 14, Philate rocks is 13, Vinay Vaisala length is 13. In this example, what I am doing, I am not creating a variable and then call the property. It is possible to write a string and then call the property directly there. Not just the property, even say for example console dot, even the methods can also be called. Strings also comes with built-in methods that I have covered it at the end of this lesson. Say for example, I'll say Jai Hanuman, superhero of all superheroes. You see this? If I say, let's say I want to make it to completely uppercase, to uppercase method can be called. So when I run this code, so Jai Hanuman has been converted to uppercase. So using dot operator, we can call the properties and behaviors or methods, or in this case we don't use the word function, we use the word method. I'll explain that in the coming lessons. What is the difference between method and function? Don't worry about it. Shall we move to the next example? I have created plenty of examples for you. We also keep the same file name, like now how I am keeping string1, string2.js, string3.js. Okay. Now let's discuss about escape sequence. Let me pull up the notes for you. Escape sequence. So we use single quote or double quote to create a string, right? What about the single quote itself? And what about the next line character, right? For us, when we are seeing this sentence, there is a now escape here is in the next line, and this is the previous line. But from that line to here, it is actually the next line. That is actually one character for the system. When the system come across that particular character, it renders that in the next line, next pixels in other words, right? So same way, there are what about the tab? One tab of space. You press tab and you'll get 4 spaces together in one shot, right? So there is a concept called escape sequences to represent these special characters. So for example, if you want to print something in double quote, I'll use slash double quote. You want to print double quote, use slash double quote. Say for example, console.log, I want to simply print double quote. How do I do that? I cannot simply say double quote like this. So what I should do is I should use slash double quote. Now see this? That's what this example is about. Alright. So there are more examples of this. I have listed all the escape sequences. So they are horizontal tab /t, vertical tab, then /v, null character is replaced with /0, backspace if you want, backspace itself. See, backspace has a special meaning here. Backspace is used for printing those special characters. What about the backspace itself? For that, 2 backspaces // oh sorry, this backspace is to remove, delete a character. Backslash is for 2 double slashes. So form feed, new line, carriage return. Carriage return means from, let's say you are in one line, you want to go one step above, like typewriter. So much like that. So this is about the escape sequence. Now let's discuss about how we can make use the string as arrays. Before we go further, please understand, you should know a concept called arrays. So I'm gonna cover arrays in the coming lessons. Once you study arrays, once the concept becomes clear, please come back and again study this. Alright. But since you want to have a perfection in the explanation, to have a complete coverage, let me go ahead and explain this. But if you are not able to understand this, no problem, don't worry, you skip this one, go to the next topic. So arrays. where str equal to namaste Philatians I have done. So here what happens, I'll pull out code. Explaining with the code is better actually. So namaste Philatians. So this entire string can be accessed as an array with the index value. For example, str of 0 will be pointing to n, str of 1 will be pointing to a. So these are called as index values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the index value of this entire string goes to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Even space is counted. Alright. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the index range grows from 0 to 18 here, but the length will be 90. Let me execute it and show you. Yeah, we already have it executed. Alright, but since only up to index value 7 I have printed, only this much we are able to see this. So far concepts are clear. So shall we move forward? String concatenation. So I supposed to cover the operators before we come to this topic. So let me give you a small brief. So there is arithmetic operator, there is increment operator, decrement operator, there is a concatenation operator. That's what we're gonna look into that now. And logical operator, comparison operators. So we're gonna look into all of these operators in the coming lesson. So for now, understand what is 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is 4, isn't it? So this is arithmetic expression. But the same 2 plus 2, if you write 2 in single quote, then 2 is treated as a string. Yes, it is a number, but its data type is string now. Now, say for example, let me write the code. Say console.log 2 plus 2. So obviously output is 4. Last output, because that is the last line. Alright. But if I just make this 2, now I want you to take a guess. What do you think is the output? Is it 4? Okay. It is not 4, it will be 22. Let me explain why it is 22. In the first operand here, value is 2, but its data type is string. Now, when you use the plus operator with string, concatenation happens, not addition. So, output is, when we run this program now, output is 22. Not necessarily that only first operand should be string. It can be any operand for that matter. Now also output will be 22. Now let me ask you an interesting question. What do you think is the output of this now? Take a pause and think. What do you think is the output? If your guess is 222, then it is wrong. Why? An expression always evaluated from the left. So 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 2 is a string here. So 42. Output will be 42. Concept is clear? So what about, okay, let me write the same line in a different way. This time what I'll do, I will make this as string. Okay. These are all intro questions. Trust me. I am covering this because example I already written. See, the example is there on the top. Alright. You can write this example and practice and try to understand. But in here, I want to cover more than what is there in the examples and notes. So there has to be some value for watching the video also, isn't it? So tell me, what do you think is the output for this? Hmm? Not clear? Will it be 24? What do you think? So it's not 24. I'll tell you. The output here is 222. Why? I told you expression is evaluated from the left. Yes or no? So this is 2 what we are having. 2 is a string here, and then we have 2 here. 2 plus 2, string 2 plus 2, what happens? Concatenation happens, and result is 22. 22, whatever the result came, is not a number, is a string, because concatenation happened. Got it? So 22 is a string now, plus 2. To string, again concatenation happens. So output is 222. I hope I made this concept very clear. So this is one of the most important topic of all. So especially the string concatenation. Typically people get confused and give a wrong answer in the interview, especially in the objective type questions and all. So I have framed an test also. After end of this lesson, there will be an assessment test will be there. So MCQ based. So that will, every time you attend the test, see, I configure such a way that you can attend as many times as possible till you get it right. But every time you attend the test, the moment the result comes, that results comes to me also as an alert to my phone directly. All right. So let's go back to notes and see what else we have. So string methods, like I told you earlier, like to uppercase one method I explained. To have a perfection, I have listed all the methods present in string, all the built-in methods present in string, and given an explanation to that on the right side. Please do write down all the notes. Please maintain the proper notes. All right. So you can go through them with explanation. And I selected few methods and written one a lengthy example. So please do create one file called string underscore methods.js and write all this code and try to understand the code. If you any confusion is there, note down. So in the live session, question and answer session, I'll explain further. All right, if any confusions are there. So pretty much all the methods which are present are self-explanatory. I have selected only few methods out of this, but as a assignment, you write an example program for every method present here. All right, just like I have done for few. Continue with the same program and pick up all the remaining methods and do that. So let me pick up any one and explain this. Say split. How does the split method works? To split method, let's say you have to give any one character. Characters before that character what you have given. In the word, let's say message contains welcome to Philite. Split L we are saying. So what happens? Before L whatever is there will become one word. After L will become one word. Now again one more L is there. So basically what happens? This message will be divided into 3 words. So 3 strings basically. And here I have done word of 0, word of 1. You can also go ahead and see word of 2 as well. Are you getting it? Hold on 1 second. Split L, will it split only for 1 or all the 3 get splitted? Let me pull up that example code. String methods. Yeah. Welcome to Philite. After L, it has become 3 words. So where it is used? This has a wonderful use actually. So I'll tell you what is the use of this. If you get into an interview to some company who are into email list management, mailing, crawling, Google is one of the best website for crawling. So it's a typical everyday work to process the string. Say let's say context. You heard of CVS file, commas separated files, CSV, sorry, commas separated files. So CSV files. Okay. So what happens? Contacts or phone numbers or mobile number typical are comma separated. Now you want to extract certain data out of them. That's where the split function is helpful. Split comma will split in that string. Instead of here we have given L, right? In that place we'll give comma and we work extracting the words out of it. So such kind of assignments are also there. Real world assignments are there and real world example are also there. But in order to work on those things, we need to have the knowledge of loops, data structure and all. So since I have not covered, I just kept the minimum, simple examples here. So please go through this, do this program. So that's pretty much about the strings. So notes is always shared at the end of that particular chapter. You can even there will be a line saying that data type. Let's say this comes to data types, right? JavaScript data types nodes. So if you want to access the nodes directly, you can directly jump into that. But before you go to that lesson, you should have completed all the previous lesson. So that is the way I have configured the LMS. Fine then. So next chapter will start with a number.